Hare Krishna. So resuming from Sri Harinamamrit Vyakaranam, Akhyat Prakaranam, Sutra 404th. So the next dhatu we are going to do is Krishna Vilekne Akarshnecha. So this is the verb Krish, from which there are certain many words, both in nouns and verbs, which come from this Krish dhatu. So even Krishna, we say Krishna. So that's also, so the verbal root Krish is the root there. Krishna, Krishaka, Krishi, and so on. Yeah, and Karshati in the verbal section. So a lot of words they come up from this very mm, root. Akarshana, Sankarshana, all those words even. So this Krisha dhatu, which means to plow, to pull, attract. So Krish plus tip, Shab Krishna dhatu ke, so Karshati. Lagu Davasya Govindaha, so we get Karshati. Krish, Sprish, Mrish, Trip, Trip, Sripaha, Sirva. Now C is optionally applied after the following dhatus. And Bhuteshu C is inserted, so that is optionally applied after these dhatus. Krish dhatu, Krisha Vilekne, Sprisha, Mrisha, Tripa, Dripa, and Sripri. So Shadho Kaha Se. Sh and Dha change to Ka when Sa follows. So this is another rule. We'll see the implementation now. So Krish plus Dip, Bhutesh, Dhatu Puramat, still Bhuteshe. So C is inserted. Now here uh, we do Vishnu Janantanam Anitam Vrishnendraha Sau Parapade. By that one we do the Vrishnendra, and then Astisibhyam Dipsipo we and Arkar, and this Sharama changes to Ka, Shadho Ka Se, because Sa is following. So we get a Karkshit. Similarly, Akar, Shtam, Akarshi, and so on. Akrikshatam, uh, yeah, Krish plus Atam. This is Atmapada 1.2, Dhatu Puramat Sirbhuteshe. So here, this Atam C is actually Kapila by the Sutra 355. Ridvayad Vishnu Janant Ishuddhavacha Vaishnavadi C Kamapalo Kapila Vadmapade Gamestuva. Hmm. So that's why there is no Govinda Vishnendra done. So Akrikshatam, Akrikshata ityadi, Akrishta. And then Akridhvam. The next sutra says Riramodhava Sahajanito Va Vaishnavadav Kapile. Sahajanit dhatus that have Ram as their Uddhava optionally take when a non-Kapila Pratyay beginning with a Vaishnava follows. So dhatus which are Sahaj Anit, which are Anit dhatus naturally, and which have Ram as Uddhava, so they optionally take when a non-Kapila Pratyay beginning with the Vaishnava follows. Non-Kapila. So Krish plus Dip. Now here, one second. Hmm. So here, Krish C. So optionally, is inserted because we have Pratyay beginning with the Vaishnava, which is non-Kapila. So is inserted, and is inserted after the last Sarveshwara by the Sutra Antya Sarveshrat Paramita Sthanam. So here, Ridvam Raha. So, and then Shadhoka Se. Okay, Vrishnendra is done, and then Shadoka se, so we get a Krakshit. So this is another form, and so on. Then When another sutra says, the next one, Ishoddavadanito Harigotrantat Sakbhutesha Drishmina. Sak is inserted applied after any anit dhatu except drishir, which ends in Harigotra and has an isha as its uddhava when a bhutesha pratyay follows. So here C is not inserted. So that was an optional form. Because the first sutra we read today, Krish, Sprish, Mrish, Trip, Trip, Sripa, Sriva. So by that sutra, C is optionally applied for Krish dhatu. So when C is applied, we get two forms, and when C is not applied, then we get this form which we are going to do. So Krish plus Dib dhatu puramat. C is not inserted. So this sutra says Ishoddavad Anito Harigotranta Sakbhutesha Drisham Vina. That Sak is applied after any Anit dhatu. So Krish is Anit and ending in a Harigotra and has Isha as Uddhava and Bhutesha Pratyay is following. So we insert Sak and Shadho Ka Se, Sha becomes Ka, so we get Akrikshat. And this Sak is Kapila, so there is no Govinda or Vrishnendra done. So Akarkshit, Akrakshit, and Akrikshat. So three forms for each Pratyay are made in this way. Quite a formation actually. So please practice these sutras. So these are the dhatus mentioned here which follow this rule. The dhatus which end with Harigotra and has Isha as its Devdhava. Then Sakontaharaha Sarveshware. The A of Sak is deleted when a Sarveshwara follows. So Krish plus Atam, so Dhatu Puramat, Sak is there when C is not applied. So this A of Sak is inserted when a Sarveshwara follows. So A is deleted because Atam begins with a Sarveshwara. So we get Akrikshatam, Akrikshatam, Akrikshata, ityadi. So like this we get these forms, Akarshi and so on. Yeah, then Krish plus Nal here, Adhokshaja, Litlakar. So we do Lagudasya Govindaha and then Sthanivad Durojanam. Then Kavarga Narasya Chavargaha, Narari Ramasya Aramaha, we get Chakarsha, Chakarsha, then Chakarshi, ityadi, Krishyat, Krikshishta, ityadi. The next dhatu is Rusha Hingsayam. So words like Rusht, Rosh, and so on come, they have this Rusha as the root. It means to hurt, kill. So Ishu, Sahi, Ishu Saha Lubha, Rusha Risha, Idva Te. It is only optionally inserted after the following dhatus when a Ram dhatuka beginning with the Rama follows. So these are the dhatus which optionally take it when any pratyay, Ram dhatuka pratyay beginning with the is following. So Rusha is one of them. So Rusha plus Ta, this is Balakalki. So it is optionally applied. When it is applied Roshita and another time it's Roshta. Yeah. It looks like the English word roast, to roast someone, they say, comes up from this this verbal root. Because this verb also means to hurt. And roast is a kind of hurting someone. Like it might be like a healthy hurt, but it is to some extent hurt. So possible, it's possible from Rush Dhatu. The next is Ushadahe. Usha is to burn. So Usha Vitti Jagribhya Amadhokshajeva. So when an adhoksha pratyay is following, am is optionally inserted after these dhatus, Usha, Vida, and Jagri. So yes, so when am is applied, we get forms like Osham, Babhupa, Ityadi, and when am is not applied, we get forms like Uvosha. उवोश इत्यादि. Hmm. उवोश, ऊषतु, ऊषु इत्यादि. This when am is applied, we get osham plus nal, and then we apply the sutra we did previously. So that was amah kribhvastayo nu prayujyante. Kri, bhu, and us, they are optionally applied after am. So in this way, osham babhuva, osham chakara, osham asa, and another fourth one is uvosha. So like, okay, we'll stop here. So please do practice the niyamas, the rules. Look into them, what they're saying, and tomorrow we'll move forward from it. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.